Sat Sri Akal ji ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Hello everyone. Today we are erasing a eMMC chip, okay, from this BIQU Pi 1.2. So continue with the video. Please do like, share and subscribe so I make a more content. Now they follow the step that they shows into the manual, user manual. So they erasing eMMC from SD card. Okay, refer to this stuff, and you need to do use this command, copy and paste into the terminal. They said follow the 432 writing stuff. This following stuff command, instead of this command you need to paste that command into the terminal. Now you need to insert your SD card there again, and give a power supply there. And wait for a seconds. I insert a SD card here and everything's running and up. So everything is running. Now you need to connect a SSH terminal. Now I log into the terminal with your ID and password. Now you need to copy this command, paste into the terminal, type your password and press Y and wait for a couple of the seconds. So it said it's done. If it's still running, it's running from your SD card. So if you're confirming it, shut down and remove the SD card and try again. Okay, it's shut down. So make sure this switch is onto the this side orientation, this side, when you are doing all this stuff. So your Rockchip reading the eMMC stuff there. Okay, so it's erase it easily. Now remove it, power, remove the SD card, give the power again, check this if it's booting or not. But it's erased now, it's not booting it. Okay, SD card is there, so power is there, and it doesn't matter how much you are waiting for things. It's not booting up because nothing is on the eMMC. So this is how you can erase eMMC while you are using your default SD card. This is your default your flash first, flash 8, image, SSD, sorry, Wi-Fi stuff. Everything is you put in this SD card. This is your default SD card. You can flash from this SD card to eMMC, and you can erase from this SD card to this eMMC stuff. This is how can you do it. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe, so follow for a more content, so I make more videos. So this is how you can do the flash it, how to flash it. Check my other video, and how you erase it in this video. Thanks for watching a video.